Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add shadow to your design on Canva. Now, if you look at this design, you can see that it has a darkish shadow around it. The image in the center. So I'm going to show you how I achieved that. First, I'm going to replace this image. So we'll start with a new image. So I click on replace and I click on this image. Now that I've replaced the image, what I'm going to do is go to effects. Under effect, I'll look for shadows. So this is shadows. So once I click on settings, I'll click on glow. When I have glow, I'll click on the settings on the glow, and I'll make sure that my shadow has a size of 6, and then I'll click on done, and that's all. So I'll move my image down back, and there you go. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change text in Canva. All you need to do is click on the text you want to change. So I'm clicking on professional. A box appears around it, and I'm going to click on edit. And all I need to do is delete what I don't need and type what I want. So I can type expert instead of professional, and I put expert art, for example. And once I'm done, I click this arrow down and I'm good to go. If I don't like the font that is there, I come to fonts and I change it to. So I can choose another font other than the font that is there, and I can choose maybe this font. So, and once I'm done, I can always bring it down. And if I want to change the color to, I'm going to click on this color here, and I'm going to choose another color that I want. I can choose this color, or I can press the plus button and change it to any other color I like. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the background of your design in Canva. So all you need to do is click on the background itself. Once you click on the background, you see this bar that appears, and you just change the color. Click on the color, and you have options to change the color. So I can click on another color, and if I don't have the color displayed here, all I need to do is click on the plus, and I can always change it to wherever I like. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit your bio using the Facebook app. All you need to do is open your Facebook app. Once you've opened it, you're going to click the icon that shows your face. Once you've clicked it, you click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, you'll be able to edit everything. If you want to edit your profile picture, all you need to do is click on edit, and you'll be able to edit the profile picture by choosing any image on your device. Same for your cover photo. However, for your bio, the same applies. You just click on edit, and you can always click edit bio, and you can change what you have there. However, in my case, I'm not interested in editing. I just want to show you. Now, if you now want to edit the workplaces, all you just need to do is come to these details and click on edit too, and you can edit all the workplaces that we've added. So, and if you want to add another additional workplace, you can just add work, and you can always write it. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get to the description on YouTube. So all you need to do is click on the title of the video. When you click on the title of the video, you are going to see the description. Now look down here, you will see more. If you click on more, it's going to show the full description. So you can see that we can see all the full description. I'm going to be showing you how to make a long screenshot on your phone. So you go to your Chrome browser, you search for Envato element. Once you're done searching for it, it's going to bring you to this place. You click on Envato element. When you get to the Envato element website, you click on this 3 dash button to the right. Then you go to WordPress. Then you go to template kits. Once it's done loading, you look for the website you want to choose, and you click on it. Once you're done clicking on the website and it's done loading, you click on live preview. Once it's done loading, you change it from mobile view to desktop view by clicking on desktop site. Once it's like that, you make sure you scroll down to make sure that everything loads properly. Once everything has loaded properly, you click on the 3 dots on your Chrome, and you click on share. Then you click on the long shot. So it's going to give you an option to extend it. So I'm going to be extending the top to the beginning of the page like this, and I'm going to also extend the lower one down. So I'll just swipe it up like this, and I'll extend it down again, and I'll swipe it up like this, and I'll extend it down again, and I'll swipe it up like this, and I'll keep on extending it down, and I'm going to do like that till the end of the page. So once I'm satisfied, I'm going to click on the check, and then it's going to save it. So I have my screenshot, so I click on next, and then I save it to the device. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get to the Canva template on your phone. Now, when you're watching the video and you want to get to the template, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on the title to get to the description. Now we have a number of templates, so you click on any one you like. I'm clicking on template number 4. Once I click on template number 4, it's going to take me to the Canva link. So this is the template. I click on accept all cookies, and what I'm going to do is click on use template. I will need to sign into my Google account to be able to do that, so I'll continue with Google, and I'm going to choose the account I want to use with it. Once that is done, voila, I'm going to be inside Canva with my template, and I'll be able to make any adjustments I want to make. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the web version of Facebook on your mobile phone. So what we are going to do is we are going to open our Chrome browser. I've opened my own Chrome browser now. Then the next thing you are going to do is click on the 3 dots here. Once I click the 3 dots here, I'm going to choose the desktop site. Once you choose the desktop site, then you type web.facebook.com. So that's it. Once you click on web.facebook.com, it's going to load it in the web version as though you are looking at it from your desktop. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change an image in Canva using your phone. Once you've opened the template, all you need to do is click on the image. Once you click on the image, a bar appears. You click on the replace icon. Once you click on the replace icon, you go click on upload files. You click on device, and when you click on device, you see files, you click on it, and you click on these 3 bars to the left, then you scroll down till you get to gallery and you click on it. That way you'll be able to see all the images in your gallery. Then you choose the image you want. As for me, I want this image, so I'll click on it and I'll click on done. Once you click on done to another one, I can click on this one now, for example, and I'm good to go. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Canva template. Now that we're in the Canva interface, what we want to do is we're going to be using the Canva template. The things we are going to be doing are changing the background, 1. We're also going to be changing the image, 2. And we're going to also be editing the text, 3. So for the first one, which is changing the color of the background, all you need to do is click on the background. Once you click on the background, you will see color down here and you click on it. So you choose any color you want. So if I click on this color, it has changed the background to this color. If I want other colors too, I can always click on the plus icon and look for any other color I like that fits in. Now that that is understood, I can go back and use the previous color I was using. Now for the text, if I want to change the text, all I need to do is click on it once, and once I click on it, it's going to show a box around what I've clicked. If I want to edit it, I'll just click on edit down here, and I can always delete or add. So instead of website design, I can change it to website designer. You can see now, and that's perfect. So if I need to extend the width of what I've typed, all I need to do is just pull this and it's done. However, I'm not editing, so I'm going to undo what I've done. So all I'm going to do is press this arrow back here and it will undo what I've done, and I'll do that again and it will undo what I've done. Now the last thing is about replacing the image. So the first way is that you can choose what you have uploaded before. If you've not uploaded what you want to use before, then you have to click on upload file up here. Once you click on upload file, you choose device, so that it will show you all the files on your device. You click on files. When you click on files, once it's loaded, you click on these 3 buttons and you scroll down to gallery. That way you'll be able to see all the images in your gallery. And now I'm going to choose an image from my gallery. So I'm going to choose this image from my gallery and I'll click on done. Now that that is done, it's going to upload it right into my Canva. And now that it's in the upload, all I need to do is just click on it and that's it. Voila. So if I want to edit it, all I need to do is just double click it twice and I'll pull it down for it to get to the beginning. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.